You know, you've seen my career is I've seen ups and downs. There are moments. There were few years in my life I wasn't working, and even though I might be called the insider and not the outsider, it is struggle for everybody. Every actor, once his first film comes out, he has to struggle to get more work. मेरे लिए भी ये पहला कदम है एक किस्म से. But as actors, we are always looking for challenging roles, challenging scripts. Every individual can't be good. Every individual can't be bad. Every cop can't be good. Every cop can't be bad. So if 1% is bad, you can't blame the 99.9% people to be bad.
वो झूठा भी था, वो ईमानदार भी था at the same time.
You know.
It was fun working for Shah Rukh. He is a great guy, and
शाहरुख खान से मिलना, मतलब ऐसे 1-to-1 मिलना, वो अपने आप में एक उपाधि से कम नहीं है.
Welcome to Speakeasy. My name is Rudrani, and I will be chatting with a group of very, very talented cops in Korea. I'm talking with the class of 823 who finally graduated and seem to be coming out in full, in full form soon. So the class of 83, Bobby, I'm going to leave out the teacher and come back to the teacher day, but I'm going to say that Hitesh, Sameer, Bhupendra, it's a debut, right? And
It is.
I want to start off by saying there's been so much conversation about everybody getting an equal playing field in this industry. And this feels like one, because I think all of you are outsiders and all of you are today making this absolutely fantastic debut. So starting with, probably Hitesh and then followed by Bhupendra and Sameer. What do you think about this, what I just said? And of course, by this feeling almost like an equal playing field.
It is exactly how you put it, Adnani. It is an equal playing field right now, and we are examples of the said phenomenon. We are here talking to you, being interviewed. It's a film backed by Red Chillies. It's a film going to be out on a platform like as huge as Netflix. So yes, it's surreal. It's a dream come true. It's what every actor wants. And to have the final culmination of your hard work to reach here, there's a lot of gratitude, and all we can say is thank you to not only the universe, but people like Madhuman Ray, who was our casting director, our director Atul Sabrawal, to Red Chillies.
Bhupendra, I'll probably twist it a little bit, and so that you can probably tell me a moment where you felt it really is not going to come out till the moment that you actually signed this film. So I want to understand how that panned out.
As you know, हम बाहर से हैं, आउटसाइडर तो नहीं कहूँगा, मतलब हम जब आपको first time I got a call from Mr. Abhimanyu Ray sir that तुम्हें इस फिल्म की ऑडिशन के लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट किया गया है और इसके बाद एक और वर्कशॉप होगी. एक वो मोमेंट था जहाँ मुझे लगा था कि अभी मैं सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ हूँ, अभी सिर्फ मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ हूँ. वो मुझे लगा था कि शायद कुछ बेहतर होगा. पहली बार मुझे लाइफ में लगा था कि यार थोड़ा आगे जा सकते हैं. एंड फिर आई वर्कशॉप, उसमें हम लोगों ने अपना जी जान लगा दी. इट वॉज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस, वर्क विद सच अ वंडरफुल कास्ट. बॉबी सर हमारे हीरो, हितेश, समीर, शाहरुख खान से मिलना, मतलब ऐसे 1-to-1 मिलना, वो अपने आप में एक उपाधि से कम नहीं है. एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड, भगवान का शुक्र है कि चीज़ें इस तरह से वर्कआउट हुई. मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी, और ऐसा लगता है कि हम इतिहास का हिस्सा बन रहे हैं, और हमसे पहले ऐसा कुछ मैंने नहीं देखा, बिल्कुल नए, मतलब इस तरह से 5 लोग, 1 2 नहीं 5 लोग एक साथ आ रहे हैं एक बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे. ओ गॉड, वाह क्या बात है, भगवान का शुक्र है. क्या है ना, हम लोगों ने चूज किया है इसे, इस जिंदगी को हमने चूज किया है. सो इसमें वो फील होना कि कुछ फिगर आउट नहीं हो रहा है. हर दिन होता है, हम ऐसे प्रोफेशन में है कि इट्स वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. ऐसे बहुत सारे मोमेंट थे कि आप बाथरूम में बैठ के रो रहे होते हो, नल ऑन करके रो रहे होते हो, किसी को बताते भी नहीं हो कि आप किस, और आपके पेरेंट्स पूछते हैं फोन करके कि भाई क्या हाल चाल है, कहाँ हो, कैसा लग रहा है. उनसे कहते हैं हाँ सब बढ़िया है, बस खाना खा लिया, सो जाएंगे. एंड देन किसी कोने में आपको लगता है कि यार
But चलो खुशखबरी आई, like I said. And what about you, Sameer? बहुत बातें हो रही है यहाँ पे, थोड़ी इमोशनल कर रही हूँ मैं आप लोगों को, but I think जरूरी है ये बोलना।
बहुत ही जैसे ये दोनों ने भी कहा है, इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू। एक इमोशनल मोमेंट आया था जब हम टाउन में शूटिंग कर रहे थे। दैट वाज नियर ब्रिटानिया ब्रिटानिया कैफे।
जी
तो
जी।
वहाँ पे
हाँ।
मुझे याद है मैंने इंजीनियरिंग किया था। इंजीनियरिंग के बाद मुझे इसमें आना है। मैं ट्राई कर रहा था तो घर का टिपिकल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली का एक होता है कि अभी हो गया पढ़ाई तो तू कुछ ढंग का कर ले, अपने साथ तू चालू हो जा, कुछ नौकरी वोकरी कर ले। तो बहुत वो घर पे स्ट्रगल चल रहा था कि नहीं यार मैं करना चाहता हूँ, क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ। मैं पूना में था फॉर इंजीनियरिंग। उसके बाद बहुत से झगड़े होते थे, थोड़ी बहुत ये होती थी, उनकी भी साइड करेक्ट थी, लेकिन कुछ था यार एटलीस्ट मेरे को एक फेयर चांस मिले कि मैं कुछ देखता हूँ। अगर नहीं होता है तो यार चलो फिर ये तो मैं ट्राई करूंगा। तो मुझे याद है मैंने 3 वीक्स मांगे थे मेरे घर पे कि यार मुझे 3 वीक के लिए आप कैसे भी करके बम्बई में यार भेज दो, मुझे खाली जाने दो, मैं देखता हूँ मैं क्या होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर मैं आ रहा हूँ, वापिस आ जाऊंगा। तो वो 3 वीक्स में मुझे याद है मैं एमएलए हॉस्टल जो है टाउन में, वहाँ पे उनकी लेटर लेकर रह रहा था। उन्होंने मुझे लेटर दिया कि ये बंदा हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से है तो ठीक है, ये कुछ 10-15 दिन के लिए ट्रेनिंग के लिए यहाँ पे रहेगा। तो वहाँ से मतलब टाउन साइड थी और जो भी ऑडिशंस आते थे, जो भी मतलब उसमें एंडोर्समेंट्स के आते थे। रसना मुझे याद है इट वाज बैक इन मई का महीना चल रहा था और रसना और ये सब का कुछ एंडोर्समेंट था जो कि इस पे जाके करना था, स्टेशंस पे, रियल लोकेशंस पे कुछ जाके करना था। तो यार मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है यार ये भी कर लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं। उतना ही 21 दिन से आगे अगर चले तो अपना पैसा कुछ आ जाएगा तो शायद आई कैन आस्क माई पेरेंट्स टू बी एक्सटेंड माई टाइम
जी
10 और 15 days more। सो ये
बिल्कुल।
सब चल रहा था और मैं टाउन में रहता था, इसलिए शाम को सब ऑडिशंस करके आने के बाद मैं टहलने निकल जाता था। तो ये ब्रिटानिया कैफे और ये सब एरिया में मैं घूमता था। तो जब हमने वहाँ पे शूट किया तो मतलब अभी भी यार गूज़बम्प्स आ गए।
Goosebumps.
तो तब वक़्त जब शूट कर रहा था तब बहुत बढ़िया लगा था कि ऐसे लगा यार चलो जो सोचा था उसकी शुरुआत तो हो गई है, आगे देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं। जैसे भूपी ने कहा भगवान की कृपा है और मेहनत करते रहेंगे, देखेंगे आगे क्या होगा।
Wow. बढ़िया।
फैबुलस। एक फुल सर्कल लगाना, एक पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट हुआ जहाँ से लगा। व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरी। द टीचर who's schooled these children children
Dean Saab.
Gurudev.
Dean Saab.
But you know, Bobby, for me, with all due respect, I felt after I saw the film, I don't know, it felt like a 2.0 version. I thought this truly gave you that space to come out and perform. And I felt that hasn't for a while. Is this my analysis? या आपको ये लगा?
That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much for your appreciation. It means a lot. It really does. And मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि you see in my career is I've seen ups and downs. There are moments. There were a few years in my life I wasn't working, and even though I might be called the insider and not the outsider, it is struggle for everybody. Every actor, once his first film comes out, he has to struggle to get more work. And I think every actor's struggle doesn't end with one project. Even these boys, they might have got this option to shoot, they got this lucky opportunity, and I keep telling them, I said, देखो बहुत अच्छा काम किया सबने, लेकिन ये मत सोचना कि ये नहीं मिल, इसके बाद नहीं मिला तो don't give up in life. And I don't think any of these three will give up.
Yeah.
Because it is difficult, it's not easy for anyone. And so what, with my career graph, the way it has been, being a star, having the love of my fans which still exists, as an actor I was never satisfied. I was always looking for that one role which I wanted to get, which I never got even in my film career. I feel I always missed out on those characters. Then eventually when everything was changing and I decided to come onto OTT platform and Red Chillies, it was never a plan that Red Chillies, Shah Rukh's company, Gauri's company and Gaurav and Netflix are going to come hand in hand to me with a subject. But besides that excitement, I was still waiting for the script. And when I read the script, is where I finally realized, because I was trying to change my whole persona, everybody's thing about my, the way they look at me as an actor. I wanted to change that. I wanted to, as an actor, show that I am capable of a lot more than what they expect out of me. So this is an opportunity which I am so glad that came in my life. And I did my best, because these kind of opportunities don't come so easily.
Yeah.
And I've learned so many lessons in my career that I know that it's you are so lucky when you get that opportunity with every work you do in your film career. So this is like, आप कह रहे हो कि इनके लिए ये नया कदम, पहला कदम है, मेरे लिए भी ये पहला कदम है एक किस्म से, क्योंकि every time I do a film, I feel now with this film especially, I feel I'm starting a new career, a new beginning, and I want people to look at me as a different personality altogether. So I was really happy working with all of them. It has been, I honestly tell you, I was in a zone which was out of my comfort zone, because I have never been given a chance like this. And working with such lovely actors like these boys, because when you see the film, they don't look like as if they're doing a first film. They look like the characters, and that is the USP of the film. It's like you're watching a real story of these people in that part, in that time, and how their life moves on. So I think I just want to live and breathe the character, and also because of the experiences of my life, even in my journey has been such as the journey of Dean Vijay Singh in the film, where he has his family, he has his career, and he has been punished. In a moment when you're trying to do things sincerely, you get punished sometimes, and you never understand why the world is like that. And then his fight against the system, eventually he knows that he has to find his own way to achieve what he wants to do, and that's exactly every individual in their real lives have to do. They have to find their own way to get work, and only the only way of doing that is by working your best and attracting more work. And I'm just hoping that after Class of 83 releases, people notice the work of not just me but all of us in this film, because this film cannot have been made without all of us.
Do you feel like, because you have done films even post that, right? But getting written off, like your character here was also written off, saying that he can't do what he can. He's become a different person. Was that an obvious parallel, and how do you look at that?
Obviously, it's a deliberate thing. I tried. I mean, it was on purpose that I tried to look for characters which are totally different, because that's something in my career, and I've been 25 years now in this industry. So I'm also trying to, in a way, reinvent myself as an actor, and I've learned so much in the years, and every day I've learned from these boys, their approach towards their work. It is a different era today. These kids have come learning it in a different way, and I see them, and you learn from every one of each other. That's how we all actors are. So for me, I've used whatever experience I have, and I just want to do different roles, and that's what I'm trying to do. And OTT gives you that option. OTT platform and cinema will always be there together. They will coexist, because each of them is dependent on each other. Everybody will see OTT platform, will try to change what cinema is. Everybody will see cinema and try to incorporate things onto OTT platform, and this thing will go on forever and ever. So as I said earlier, आज हम बैठ के यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं इस पे. Technology is changing, way of life is changing, so the way of looking at things has changed so much, because the influence of how things are happening around us really makes us think differently. So I think this will always be there, and I'm really excited and happy with what is coming in right now for me and what's happening in my life. I think it's a great phase of my life, and I hope it continues. And even if it doesn't, I'm going to not give up and keep doing it.
The last question is going to be open to all. Let's start with Hitesh and then probably end with Bobby. The answer, because in the real life you have police brutality. In the real life you also have police saving people. So there are different aspects that are happening that people talk about. When you play characters like this, in your personal, opinion, how do you look at that conversation? Because it is about people who are a part of the society. Of course, this is a fictional story, but they are people who are flawed, and yet they are the ones who are supposed to protect us.
Right.
All I can say, let me start. I'll start. All I can say, this debate will never end. This debate will go on forever and ever. It is how we are, we always like to sit and pass judgment of what's happening around us and what is influencing us. So, as an actor, all of us are here because we, as actors, want to portray characters of stories that have happened in and around our society, and
Sure.
that doesn't mean that we are intentionally trying to influence people. It is just
Sure.
that this is show business, you know. I mean, why do people make ads? Because people see the ads to influence people to buy it. We make good films so that people get entertained by it, and the
Sure.
controversies and things like that are part and parcel of movie business, you know. So at the same time, there are a lot of idle people who like to sit and pass judgment, which is fair because we have the freedom of speech. But as actors, we are always looking for challenging roles, challenging scripts, which we can portray as actors and feel satisfied that we've been a part of a film that, as individuals, when we go home in the night, when we sit in the evening at home, we feel so satisfied as performers, you know. So it's all about that. Every individual can't be good, every individual can't be bad. Every cop can't be
Absolutely.
good, every cop can't be bad. So if 1% is bad, you can't blame the 99.9% people to
Sure.
be bad. So that is something, a difficult life which they live. That's why when you see this film, it's not about the conventional movies you've seen on police. It is a film about every individual as a person who is in a profession like police, you
Sure.
know. So that's what this film is
Yeah.
Completely
trying to
agree.
show. So that's what I want
Completely
to
agree.
just, you know, say
Sure.
from my
Okay.
side.
Yeah.
How
Sure.
No, I
Hitesh.
completely agree with Bobby sir. And the key word, the operational word here, it's that it's fictional. And you said it, man. It's fictional. It's a script given to
Yeah.
us. And it's an actor's dream
Yeah.
to be able to play characters that are not only white, not only black, but there's that gray. There are moments of
Correct.
vulnerability. There are moments of heroism. There are moments of friendship. There are moments of breaking down. So it's all in all, what more does an actor want
Sure.
to show their talent?
कभी कभी
क्या
कह
कहना
दिया
बाबा?
मैं और
बस आई एग्री
मुझे लगता है
ऐसा
कि
बोल दो.
आई एग्री मुझे लगता है कि कोई कैरेक्टर अपनी कमजोरियों और अपनी खूबियों के बीच में फंस जाए ना,
जी.
वहां पे मजा आता है कैरेक्टर जीने का. मेरे लिए तो एक कैरेक्टर था, हमारे लिए तो एक कैरेक्टर था, और इन कैरेक्टर की अपनी अपनी अपना एक रेpertoire था इनके जहन में, जिसमें इनकी इनकी कमजोरियां इनको पता थी, इनकी खूबियां इनको पता थी, इन्हें सामने वाले की खूबी पता थी कि वो कितना ज्यादा कर सकता है. और उन कमजोरियों से जूझना एक कैरेक्टर के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है. हम उस पे बड़े मतलब घुस के एकदम उसको जी रहे थे, मजा आ रहा था. मेरे लिए तो वो कैरेक्टर कमजोर था और पावरफुल था एट द सेम टाइम. वो झूठा भी था, वो ईमानदार भी था एट द सेम टाइम. और क्यों ना हो, और कौन अच्छा रहा है.
जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो मुझे कैरेक्टर आया है विच इज सो नॉट मी एंड आई हैव टू पोर्ट्रे इट विथ यू नो 100% एफर्ट लगा के वो पोर्ट्रे करना है जो दिखना स्क्रिप्ट में एक्सपेक्टेड है. तो किसी एक्टर जब जब भी वो रोल्स लेता है या फिर फिल्म्स उसे ऑफर होती है तो वो एक्साइटेड होता है इन चीज़ों से कि यार मुझे ये पोर्ट्रे करना है, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. और जब ऐसा हो कि वो कैरेक्टर आपसे बिल्कुल भी मिलता-जुलता नहीं हो तो फिर तो मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटी डबल और उसका मज़ा ज़्यादा है किसी भी एक्टर को, ऐसे मुझे लगता है.
Major support. I see a lot of wonderful actors, of course, Shah Rukh included. I think he said it must be so exciting to even hear that. To see the entire, a lot of actors coming out and supporting you guys. So I think that'll mean a lot, right? You already have Shah Rukh and people like that.
it was fun
Great.
working for Shah Rukh. He's a great guy, and he's so dedicated in his own work that I knew that when I was signing this film, he wouldn't leave any stone unturned. He would try to do the best he can with his capabilities. So all of us are so thankful to him. Seriously, from the heart.
All right. Thank you once again.
Gratitude.
And I shall see you soon in your graduation ceremony.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you
Thank
once
you.
Thank
again.
you, ma'am.
Bye.
It was great talking to you. Bye-bye.
Take care.